Are you tired of those pesky sebaceous filaments ruining your complexion? Say no more. In today's video, we spill the beans on natural home remedies to banish those unwanted tube-like structures from your pores. From DIY facial masks to simple daily routines, we've got you the solution you seek. Are you ready to kick those filaments to the curb and reclaim smooth, clear skin? Stay with us to the end to discover the secrets. 1. Tea tree oil. Tea tree oil is famous for its potent natural properties, making it a valuable addition to any skincare routine. Thanks to its anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial qualities, tea tree oil can reduce the appearance of sebaceous filaments without harsh chemicals. Its ability to unclog pores and regulate oil production makes it an ideal remedy for those struggling with congested skin. The versatility of tea tree oil allows you to use it in various forms, such as diluting it with water as a toner or mixing it into a face mask for a deep cleansing treatment. Incorporate this essential oil into your skincare regime to harness its purifying benefits and achieve a clearer complexion. While tea tree oil is a potent remedy for sebaceous filaments, always dilute it with water before use to avoid potential skin irritation or allergic reactions. 2. Salicylic acid. Salicylic acid is a powerful exfoliant that can help reduce the appearance of sebaceous filaments. It penetrates deep into the pores and dissolves the debris, oil, and dead skin cells that form sebum. Unlike physical exfoliants, salicylic acid can unclog pores without causing irritation or inflammation, making it a gentle yet effective option for managing sebaceous filaments. Salicylic acid is particularly beneficial due to its anti-inflammatory properties, which can help reduce redness and swelling associated with sebaceous filaments. Even so, this ingredient promotes cell turnover, allowing new skin to surface and decreasing the prominence of these dark spots. When using salicylic acid to eliminate sebaceous filaments, the first step is to cleanse your face thoroughly with a gentle cleanser to remove any excess oil and dirt. Next, apply a small amount of salicylic acid solution or serum onto the affected areas, focusing on the T-zone and other areas prone to sebaceous filaments. Start with a lower concentration of salicylic acid, around 2%, and gradually increase as needed to avoid skin irritation. After applying the salicylic acid, allow it to sit on the skin for a few minutes before rinsing off with lukewarm water. Following this treatment regime consistently, usually once or twice a week, can help minimize the appearance of sebaceous filaments over time. Remember to moisturize after using salicylic acid to keep the skin hydrated and balanced. Also, it's essential to use sunscreen during the daytime, as salicylic acid can make your skin more sensitive to UV rays. Adding salicylic acid to your skincare routine can lead to noticeable improvements in the appearance of sebaceous filaments over time, giving you a fresh and radiant complexion. 3. Kaolin Clay Mask. Kaolin is the mildest natural clay for getting rid of sebaceous filaments. This gentle yet effective mask draws out impurities and excess oil from the skin, unclogging pores and reducing the appearance of sebaceous filaments. Its high mineral content also helps nourish and soothe the skin, leaving it refreshed and rejuvenated. One of the key benefits of using a kaolin clay mask is its ability to absorb excess oil without stripping the skin of its natural moisture. This quality makes it an ideal solution for those with oily or combination skin, as it helps balance oil production while providing a deep cleansing effect. Moreover, kaolin clay has gentle exfoliating properties, which can help soften the appearance of sebaceous filaments over time. To use a kaolin clay mask, mix a small amount of kaolin clay with water or apple cider vinegar to form a smooth paste. Apply the mixture evenly on your cleansed skin and leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes until it dries. As the mask dries, it draws excess oil and impurities from the pores, including sebaceous filaments. When using a kaolin clay mask as part of your skincare routine, follow up with a hydrating moisturizer to maintain the skin's balance. Consistent use of this natural remedy can lead to noticeably clear and smoother skin, making it an excellent option for those seeking a chemical-free approach to addressing sebaceous filaments. 4. Bentonite Clay Mask. Bentonite is another potent remedy for clearing sebaceous filaments and achieving uniform, radiant skin. This mineral-rich clay has absorbent properties that help draw out impurities, excess oil, and debris from the pores. These qualities make it an effective treatment for minimizing the appearance of sebaceous filaments. When mixed with water or apple cider vinegar, Bentonite clay forms a thick paste you can apply to your skin. After applying to the affected area, it works to unclog pores and balance oil production. One of the key benefits of a bentonite clay mask is its ability to exfoliate and purify the skin without irritation. Its fine texture gently removes dead skin cells and surface impurities, leaving the skin feeling smooth and refreshed. Additionally, regular use of a bentonite clay mask can help improve overall skin texture and tone while reducing the visibility of sebaceous filaments over time. With its natural composition and powerful clarifying properties, bentonite clay offers an accessible and affordable solution for addressing sebaceous filaments at home. 5. Egg white and honey. Egg white and honey, when combined, create a powerful natural remedy for combating sebaceous filaments. Egg white contains proteins that can help tighten pores and reduce the appearance of these stubborn skin imperfections. Meanwhile, honey offers antibacterial properties that keep the skin clean and free from acne-causing bacteria. Together, they form a potent mask that unclogs pores and rejuvenates the skin. The soothing nature of honey complements the pore-tightening effects of egg white, making this home remedy an excellent option for those with sensitive or easily irritated skin. Mix some egg white with a few teaspoons of honey and apply to the affected area. Leave it for about 20 minutes before cleaning with warm water. Adding this natural treatment to your skincare routine is a proactive step towards achieving smoother, clearer skin while pampering yourself with the wholesome goodness of these simple ingredients. 6. Lemon extract. Lemon juice contains citric acid that can help reduce sebaceous filaments on the skin. Its antibacterial properties make it excellent for combating the buildup of oils and impurities in the pores. Its citric acid content is a natural exfoliant, unclogging pores and minimizing the appearance of sebaceous filaments. In addition to its cleansing properties, lemon has brightening effects on the skin. It can even out skin tone and reduce the visibility of sebaceous filaments over time. When using lemon extract for sebum removal, dilute it with water or other carrier oils to avoid potential irritation or sensitivity. This precaution is especially crucial for those with sensitive skin. Incorporating lemon extract into your skincare routine can be a refreshing and effective way to combat sebaceous filaments and achieve clearer, smoother skin. 7. Sugar and oatmeal scrub. A combo of sugar and oatmeal is a natural scrub and game changer in the battle against sebaceous filaments. Sugar is a gentle exfoliant, removing dead skin cells and unclogging pores. Meanwhile, oatmeal soothes and calms the skin, reducing inflammation and redness. Together, they create a powerful yet gentle scrub that eliminates sebum without causing irritation or dryness. The granular texture of sugar helps dislodge sebum plugs from the pores, while oatmeal's anti-inflammatory properties nourish the skin and keep it healthy. This dynamic duo cleanses the skin and promotes cell regeneration, leaving your complexion uniform. Not only are these natural ingredients effective, but they are also safe for all skin types. This quality makes them ideal for anyone seeking to combat sebaceous filaments without harsh chemicals or invasive treatments. I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you have, please subscribe to Natural Health Remedies. And don't forget to give this video the thumbs up. And I'm sure you're going to enjoy this next video on. You'll never get sick again if you eat these 15 immunity boosting foods. Thanks for watching and bye for now.